Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're talking about something super useful.
Yes, we're talking about ordering at a restaurant.
This is so important. Everyone needs to eat, right?
Exactly. And restaurants can be a little scary sometimes.
Oh, yes, especially if English is not your first language.
Right. But don't worry, we're here to help you.
We'll make it easy, we'll make it fun.
And hey, if you like this podcast, please subscribe.
Yes, hit that like button. It really helps us.
Remember that you can find the transcript of this podcast on the first comment.
That's right. We hope you find it helpful.
Okay, so Sarah, tell me, do you like eating at restaurants?
I love it. I love trying new food.
Me too, but I remember my first time ordering in English.
Oh, really? What happened?
I was so nervous. I didn't know what to say.
That's normal. Everyone feels like that at first.
The waiter came to my table and said, "Are you ready to order?"
Okay, so that's the first question. Are you ready to order?
Exactly, and I just froze. I didn't say anything.
Oh no, so what did you do?
I pointed at the menu. I just pointed.
That works too, but let's learn the right way.
Yes, please. So when the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" what do you say?
You can say, yes, I'm ready.
Simple. Yes, I'm ready.
Or you can say, yes, please.
Okay. And what if you're not ready?
Good question. You can say, not yet, I need a minute.
Not yet. I need a minute. Perfect.
Or you can say, can I have a few more minutes?
Oh, that's polite. I like that.
Yes, always be polite. It makes everything easier.
Right. So let me ask you something.
Sure.
What's the first thing you do when you sit down at a restaurant?
I look at the menu.
Exactly. The menu is super important.
But sometimes menus are confusing.
Oh, yes. Especially in a new country.
So many words you don't know.
Right. So here's a good tip.
What's that?
You can ask for help before you order.
What do you mean?
Well, when you get the menu, you can ask questions first.
Oh, like what?
For example, you can ask, "Do you have any specials today?"
Oh, specials. That means special dishes for that day.
Exactly. Usually cheaper or fresh.
Nice. So, do you have any specials today?
Yes. And here's another good question.
Tell me.
Is there an English menu?
Oh, that's so helpful.
Right. Not all restaurants have it, but it doesn't hurt to ask.
And they usually say yes or no. Very simple.
Exactly. And one more question.
What's that?
What do you recommend?
Oh, that's perfect.
Yes, the waiter knows the good food.
They work there every day.
Right. So you can trust them.
So let me practice. What do you recommend?
Perfect. The waiter will tell you their favorite dishes.
And then you can choose from those.
Exactly. It makes ordering easier.
Okay, so now let's talk about the menu itself.
Good idea. Menus have different sections.
Yes, it's not just one big list.
Right. So what are the main sections?
Well, first you have appetizers.
Appetizers. That's the small food at the beginning.
Yes, like soup or salad or bread.
Something light before the main food.
Exactly. Some people call them starters too.
Oh, yes. Appetizers or starters. Same thing.
Right. Then you have the main dishes.
Main dishes. That's the big food.
Yes, the main part of your meal.
Like chicken, fish, pasta, steak.
Exactly. Sometimes it's called entrees.
Entrees. That's a fancy word.
Yes, but it just means main dishes.
Got it. Okay, what else?
Then you have sides.
Sides. Like side dishes.
Yes, the extra food that comes with your main dish.
Like rice, vegetables, fries.
Exactly. Small portions, just on the side.
And last?
Drinks.
Of course. Water, soda, juice, coffee.
Some menus also have desserts at the end.
Oh, yes. The sweet stuff.
Cake, ice cream, pie.
I love dessert.
Me too, but let's focus on the main ordering first.
Good idea. So you're looking at the menu.
Yes.
You see something you like.
Yes.
The waiter comes. What do you say?
You say, I'd like the chicken, please.
I'd like the chicken, please. Simple.
Yes, I'd like is very polite.
Can you say something else?
Sure, you can say, "Can I have the chicken, please?"
Oh, can I have the chicken? I like that too.
Yes, both are good, both are polite.
What about I'll have the chicken?
Yes, that works too.
So I'd like the chicken, or can I have the chicken, or I'll have the chicken.
Exactly. All three are perfect.
Okay, now let me ask you something.
Sure.
What if you're ordering for someone else?
Oh, good question.
Like you're at the restaurant with your friend.
And your friend doesn't speak English well.
Right, so you order for them.
Okay, so how do you do that?
You say, she'd like the chicken.
Oh, she'd like the chicken.
Yes, if it's a woman.
And if it's a man,
He'll have the pasta.
he'll have the pasta. Got it.
And if you're ordering together?
You can say, "We'll share the salad."
Perfect. We'll share the salad.
That means both people eat from the same dish.
Exactly. Sharing is nice.
And it saves money too.
Yes. Okay, now here's something important.
What's that?
Sometimes you want to change things.
Change things? What do you mean?
Like you see a burger on the menu,
Okay.
but you don't like onions.
Oh, so you want the burger without onions.
Exactly. You want to customize your order.
Customize. That means make it special for you.
Right. So how do you say that?
You can say, "No onions, please."
Perfect. No onions, please.
Simple and clear.
What if you want more of something?
Like extra cheese?
Yes.
You say, "Extra cheese, please."
Extra cheese, please. I love that.
Me too. Cheese is the best.
Okay, what about spicy food?
Oh, some people don't like spicy.
Right. So you can say, not spicy, please.
Not spicy, please. Easy.
Or can you make it mild?
Mild. That means not too spicy.
Exactly. Just a little bit of spice.
Okay, so let's practice. I'm the waiter.
Okay.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the burger, please.
Great. Anything else?
Yes. No onions, please.
No problem. And to drink?
Water, please.
Perfect. See, that was easy.
Yes. It's not scary at all.
Just practice a few times and you'll be fine.
Right. Now let's talk about drinks.
Drinks are important.
Yes. The waiter usually asks, what would you like to drink?
Or, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Exactly. Same question, different words.
So, what do you say?
You can say, I'll have water, please.
Or, "Can I have a Coke?"
Yes. Very simple.
What about coffee or tea?
Same thing. I'd like coffee, please.
Easy. And if you don't want anything?
You can say, just water is fine.
Or, "I'm okay, thank you."
Perfect. Now here's something that happens during the meal.
What's that?
The waiter comes back to check on you.
Oh, yes. They want to make sure everything is good.
Right. So they ask, is everything okay?
Or, "How is everything?"
What do you say?
If everything is good, you say, "Yes, it's great, thank you."
Or everything is delicious.
Exactly. Keep it positive and simple.
What if something is wrong?
Then you can say, "Actually, this is a little cold."
Oh, polite but honest.
Yes, they will fix it for you.
And here's another thing the waiter might ask.
What?
Would you like more water?
Oh, a refill.
Exactly. They want to fill your glass again.
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or, no, I'm fine, thank you.
Both are good.
And sometimes they ask, can I get you anything else?
That's a good question.
If you want something, you say, yes, can I have some more bread?
And if you don't want anything?
No, thank you. I'm good.
Perfect. Okay, now let's talk about problems.
Problems? Oh, no.
Haha, don't worry. Sometimes problems happen.
Like what?
Well, maybe the food is not what you ordered.
Oh, that's frustrating.
Yes, but it's okay. You can fix it.
How?
You call the waiter and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Very polite.
Yes. Then you say, "I ordered the chicken, but this is fish."
Oh, clear and simple.
Exactly. The waiter will understand.
And they'll bring you the right food.
Yes, no problem.
What if the food is cold?
You say, "Excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up?"
Can you warm it up? Nice.
Yes, very polite.
What if something is missing?
Like you ordered fries, but they're not there?
Yes.
You say, I think I'm missing my fries.
I think I'm missing my fries. Good.
The waiter will bring them right away.
See, it's not scary.
Just be polite and clear.
Exactly. Now let's talk about the end of the meal.
Oh, yes, paying the bill.
This is important.
Very important. You can't leave without paying.
That's true.
So when you're finished eating, what do?
You call the waiter.
How?
You can raise your hand a little bit.
Yes, just a small gesture. Or you can say, excuse me.
And then,
You say, can I have the check, please?
can I have the check, please? Perfect.
Or can I have the bill, please?
Check or bill, same thing.
In America, people usually say check,
In England, people usually say bill.
but both work everywhere.
Exactly. Don't worry about it.
Now, what if you're with friends?
Oh, good question.
Sometimes you want to pay separately.
Yes, each person pays for their own food.
So you say, can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill? Great.
Or separate checks, please.
That's very clear.
The waiter will bring separate bills for each person.
Easy.
What if you're paying together?
You mean one person pays for everyone?
Yes, you can say, we'll pay together. Or one check, please.
Perfect. The waiter will understand.
Now here's something else.
What?
What if you can't finish your food?
Oh, you're too full.
Exactly, but the food is still good.
You don't want to waste it.
Right, so you can take it home.
Yes, you ask for a box.
How do you say that? You say, can I have a box, please?
Can I have a box, please? Simple.
Or you can say, can I get this to go?
To go means to take with you.
Exactly, you take it and eat it later.
In England, they say takeaway.
Oh, can I have this for takeaway?
Yes, same meaning.
The waiter will bring you a box or bag.
And you put your food inside.
Perfect, no waste.
Okay, now I want to talk about something fun.
What's that?
Small talk with the waiter.
Oh, like being friendly.
Yes, it makes the experience nicer.
What do you say?
Well, when you sit down, you can say, "Hi, how are you?"
Just like talking to a friend.
Exactly. The waiter will usually say, "I'm good, thanks."
And then you can say, is it busy today?
Oh, that's a nice question.
Yes, it shows you care. Or you can say, it's my first time here.
That's great. The waiter might give you extra tips.
Like, oh, you should try the pasta. It's amazing.
Exactly. They want you to have a good experience.
You can also say, this place is nice.
Or the food looks great.
These small comments make people happy.
Yes, and it makes you less nervous too.
Right, it's just a normal conversation.
Exactly. Don't be afraid.
Okay, now let's do a big review.
Good idea. Let's remember the important phrases.
First, when you arrive.
The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
You say, yes, I'm ready, or not yet, I need a minute.
Before ordering, you can ask questions.
Do you have any specials today?
Do you have an English menu?
What do you recommend?
Then when you order,
I'd like the chicken, please.
can I have the pasta?
I'll have the fish.
All three work.
If you want to customize,
No onions, please.
extra cheese, please.
Not spicy, please.
For drinks,
I'll have water, please.
can I have a Coke?
Easy.
If there's a problem,
Excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up?
I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
I think I'm missing my fries.
Always be polite.
Yes, polite is important.
When you're done eating,
Can I have the check, please?
can we split the bill?
Separate checks, please.
We'll pay together. And if you can't finish,
Can I have a box, please?
can I get this to go?
Perfect.
See, it's not so hard.
No, it's actually very easy.
You just need to practice.
Practice these phrases at home.
Say them out loud.
Yes, talk to yourself. It's okay.
Haha, I do that all the time.
Me too. It really helps.
And when you go to a restaurant, don't be afraid.
The waiter wants to help you.
They're not scary.
No, they're friendly.
Just speak slowly and clearly.
Use simple words.
And smile.
Yes, a smile makes everything better.
Okay, so let's do a final practice.
Okay, I'll be you, you be the waiter.
Perfect. Here we go. Excuse me.
Yes, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the burger, please.
Great. How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes, no onions, please, and extra cheese.
No problem. And to drink?
Water, please.
Excellent. I'll bring that right out.
Thank you. See, that was great.
It felt natural.
Yes, you did everything right.
Clear, polite, simple.
Exactly. That's all you need. Okay, everyone, let's review one more time.
Let's organize the phrases by category.
Good idea. First, ordering phrases.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Can I have the pasta? I'll have the fish.
She'd like the salad.
He'll have the soup.
We'll share the pizza.
Perfect. Next, polite phrases.
Excuse me.
Please.
Thank you.
Can I?
Could you?
I'd like.
Always use these.
Yes, they make you sound respectful.
Next, problem-solving phrases.
This is cold. Can you warm it up?
I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
I think I'm missing something.
Can you bring more water?
Stay calm and polite.
The waiter will fix everything.
Now, payment phrases.
Can I have the check, please?
Can we split the bill?
Separate checks, please.
We'll pay together. And takeaway phrases.
Can I have a box, please?
Can I get this to go?
I'd like this for takeaway.
Easy. Okay, everyone, we covered so much today.
Yes, you learned a lot.
Remember, restaurants are not scary.
Just use simple phrases.
Be polite and friendly.
And practice, practice, practice.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
And if you liked this podcast, please subscribe.
Yes, hit that like button.
It helps us make more episodes for you.
And leave a comment. Tell us what topics you want next.
We read all of them.
Keep learning English. You're doing great.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.